Are you looking for bike storage solutions and perplexed over the many assorted choices available today?
It is true there are many varying types of storage methods for bicycles. It can be puzzling trying to pick which will work best.
First, you have to look at the choices you have available for storage.
Will your bike be stored outside?
Will you be bringing your bike in the house when not in use?
Do you have a garage or basement where you can keep your bike? How about the available space for storage in this areas? Do you have lots of room or is it cramped?
For more information and some possible solutions to the problems you might have regarding bike storage,
please visit our website by clicking the link below.